My name's Braden.
And my name's Alexa.
And welcome to EULaunch. Where are you from?
Kentucky. Springfield.
Skytook, Oklahoma.
Kansas City, Missouri. Go Chiefs!
Chiang Mai, Thailand.
Charlotte, North Carolina.
And where are you from?
Mount Laurel, New Jersey.
Awesome. And what is your major?
Business management.
Business management. What do you do in business management?
Manage businesses.
Wow. Wow. Excuse me, sir. Are you moving in today?
I am moving in today.
And who's helping you move in?
This is Nicholas Coate helping me move in. He's strong and I'm not.
What is the most essential item in this cart?
In this cart?
Yeah. The one you couldn't live without.
The fan.
The fan?
I gotta keep my fans with me.
One box to survive the rest of your life with. Which one? It's not a box.
It's close enough.
What are you looking forward to most for this year?
Probably just being able to have teachers that are Christian, be able to connect with them in that way.
I'm looking forward to just meeting new people and like finding my own routine, and yeah, I think it'll be fun.
I think I'm most looking forward to decorating my room. I'm excited about it.
What's the most important decoration that you brought today?
A flag.
Same here.
Can we see the flag?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a wild guess and say that's the American flag.
Winner.
And what flag do you have here?
I got the Philippines.
Can you show the camera, please?
Are you moving someone in today?
I am. I'm moving my daughter Zoe in. She's a freshman.
Oh my gosh, where are you moving her into?
Walther.
Walther, yeah.
I said it slowly to make sure I said it right.
What are you most excited about for your daughter this year?
She's super excited to be in the dorm. And I think maybe partly to be away from home.
You gonna miss him?
Yes, I am. I don't want to start crying, but yes.
You're gonna miss your family?
Of course I am.
Well, he's our third kid to go to Evangel, so we're excited about that. So he's got a good legacy. He's heard from his brother and sister about all the great things about Evangel.
Do you have any concerns about Hayden moving in?
Lots of concerns, yes.
Please give them all.
Waking up on time.
Taking a shower and bathing.
We think he'll eat. Yeah, he usually doesn't miss a meal.
Are you excited about your sister moving into college?
Yeah.
What are you most excited for her?
She's gonna be out of the house for a little bit.
He'll miss me, I'm sure.
Will you?
Are you guys gonna stay best friends even though you live together?
That's the plan. I don't know how it's gonna go.
Oh, are there any conflicts you want to resolve right now?
It's fine.
Actually, yeah. Can we do that? Ugh. What's your favorite Pirates of the Caribbean movie?
The third one, At World's End, because it's the best one, Alexa.
Black Pearl?
That's the name of the boat, but that's okay. We'll take it. Oh, Lewis Hall!
I love Evangel.
Hi. He's so tall. Let's go upstairs! Upstairs!
Mr. President, Mr. President, Mr. President, please talk to me.
Hi, Braden.
You are the student body president, is that correct?
That is true.
You also have something slightly in your teeth right there. No, Josh! I just wanted to make sure you were... Oh.
What's your favorite Pirates of the Caribbean movie?
I haven't seen too many of them. I like the first one.
Whatever. So I take it you're moving in?
Yes.
What is your name?
Luke Hammond.
Are you related to Caleb Hammond by any chance?
Yes.
He was my launch leader.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Full circle, guys. Full circle. Are there any launch activities you've heard of that you're really excited to try out?
I saw something that said like custard on the quad. That sounds good.
It's pretty good. It is good.
What was your favorite part of your freshman experience?
I'm a little biased, but I think I had the best launch group then, so that was probably my favorite part.
Ignite for sure.
Oh,
Ignite for sure.
Ignite for sure. Ignite for sure times 2. What is the best advice you could give a freshman?
Just have fun, be yourself, enjoy these seniors. They're wise in their years, but yeah, just have fun, enjoy launch.
Everybody on campus is wanting to get to know you and is some of the most friendly people you'll meet, so don't be nervous. Go up to people, make friends, and they want you to be here as much as you want to be here.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Josh.
All right, my name's Alexa.
My name's Brayden.
We're Alexa and Brayden, and this has been
Moving Day. We have more things to come, so stay tuned.